Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Monday, April 24th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, this morning we have the futures flying high. They are trading higher by 27 points right now to 23.74.5 per contract. Futures are rallying after the French elections, so everybody's rejoicing about the French elections. The people who won or were expected to win. The market has no surprises here, and that's, I guess, what the market likes. So either way, pretty big move higher ahead of the opening bell. We'll see how this market plays out. There were some problems, though, last night. You did have the Shanghai Composite really sell off pretty sharply. If anybody was looking at that index last night, suffered its biggest one-day loss in quite a while. So again, Shanghai Composite really coming down pretty sharply. So that could affect Chinese ADRs today. Keep that on the radar. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. But in the meantime, we do have the futures flying high. And again, we'll see how it all plays out and shakes out once the opening bell rings today. There are still lots of earnings coming in. Today we have quite a few, but Monday mornings are a little bit on the lighter side. You'll get more earnings tonight after the closing bell and a whole lot more tomorrow. So again, be ready. Lots of earnings still being released. But let's take a look at some stocks in the news, and we'll see where the money's going to be made today. First stock we're going to look at today is Hasbro. It looks like they reported earnings. Stock is flying high, making a new all-time high right here. It's trading at $102.25. We got to give this the upside bias to around 103, 103.5. So again, great move for Hasbro on the back of earnings. But again, there's really no level to trade against it. So if you own it, you trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, you don't do much with it here. Let's take a look at Kimberly-Clark. KMB is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now trading at 126.75. Closed at 130.19. So pretty good little sell-off for KMB. I'm going to try to have some levels worked out in the intraday stock chat room right at the opening bell for this one. I'm going to need a little bit more time, but I do see a nice little level here for KMB today. So again, we will be playing this in the intraday stock chat room right at the opening bell. Again, if you want to trade this alongside of us, come on over. Take the 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything we're doing in there. And again, we're going to have some morning gap plays right at the open today. Next up, we're going to take a look at Sohu. This is Chinese ADR. This is getting hit pretty nicely. Traded $40.34 on Friday. Now trading at $39. So decent little downtick. Nothing earth-shattering. I am seeing some support around 38.80, 38.75. We'll see how it plays out there. We'll see if it can hold that level. But be careful with this. All Chinese ADRs today are under pressure. Let's take a look at Halliburton. I believe they had earnings as well. Halliburton trading at 48.16, closed at 46.97 on Friday. So pretty good little gap up for Halliburton today. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. We'll see where it goes. No levels that I'm seeing right now off the bat here that would interest me. But again, around the 48.75, 48.70 level, I would expect some resistance, a little bit, at least intraday resistance, nothing more than that. So again, we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings, but Halliburton will be in play today at the open. Let's take a look at BCR. This is this stock, I believe, is being bought out by Becton Dixon today. So again, CR Baird being bought out today for $317 a share. So if you own it, trail the stop loss or take your money off the table. But there's no reason to buy it up here at these levels. So again, this is being bought out by Becton Dixon. Ticker symbol there is BDX. And you can see Becton Dixon is trading lower on the news. Stock closed at 184.76. It is now trading at 177.75. A level for BDX that I like today. Keep it on the radar. 167.45. 167.50. We get there, you can be a buyer. I'm not sure it's going to get that low, but if it does, there would be a trade there at that level. Now, on the back of the French elections, I think it should be noted that we have a lot of European bank stocks doing well. Deutsche Bank catching a really good bid today. Stock closed at 16.54, trading at 18.16. Next up, we have Credit Suisse. That is also trading up at $15.15, closed at $14.36. We have Banco Santander, SAN. That is trading at 646, closed at 605. And an ING is another one. That is trading at 1630, closed at 1521. So European bank stocks doing very, very well today. It looks like even U.S. bank stocks are doing pretty well. JP Morgan catching a pretty good bid. That's trading at 86.35, closed at 84.72. You also have Goldman Sachs trading up on the news. That's trading at 221.45, closed at 216.75. So good solid moves in all of the financial stocks today. Now we do have some upgrades and downgrades, but we're going to go over these upgrades first. Xilinx, XLNX, stock is having a pretty good little gap up. Closed at 57.62, trading at 59.05 on an upgrade. Nucor Steel, very nice move here, trading at 61.25, closed at 59.21. This was upgraded. And U.S. Steel, also in the same boat, that closed at $30.09, trading at 31.25. So good pop up on all of these names here this morning. Now, what is getting hit today? Gold. Gold is getting hit, down $17.50. If you take a look at the GLD today, you'll see that's trading at 120.87, closed at 122.46. And gold mining stocks, GDX, trading at 23.15. If you take a look at stocks like Newmont Mining, you'll see they're trading decently lower. Pretty much all of the mining names, Agnico Eagle, AEM, not doing much ahead of the opening bell. Let's take a look at gold, which is Randgold, trading down as well. So a lot of these gold mining stocks getting hit this morning. And again, gold itself very, very weak. Crude oil today trading higher by just 6 pennies to $49.68 a barrel. Take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF. You'll see that right now trading at around $10.34. Basically closed right around the 10.29 level on Friday. So won't make too much out of oil right now, but gold stocks are under pressure. And again, we'll have a lot more for you once the opening bell rings, and also more for you in the intraday stock chat room, as we will have one or two gap plays this morning. But a lot of gap plays coming out. Earnings season is upon us. Again, great time to be part of the chat room. So come on over, take that 7-day free trial. You'll see everything we're doing in there. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here. Short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.